All right, shifters, today I'm going to show you how to build breakout rooms using Google Meet so that you can have small group discussions with your students. All right, and there's a few different ways to build a Google Meet. The method I'm going to show you today is using Google Calendar to do so. So if you go over to your Google Calendar and start to make some new entries, I'm going to make breakout room number 1 and then add Google Meet conferencing. You're generating a link here that you can then use to link your breakout room. All right, so I'm going to make breakout room number 1, and I'm going to do another one at the same time. So it's parallel meets breakout room number 2. And breakout room number 4, and you can keep on making as many as you need to, but I'll make 4 for this demo and hit save. All right, so now I've got 4 parallel breakout rooms generated here, and you have this option to join with Google Meet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the link to that Meet, and one way that is helpful is to link them all in a doc so students have access to them. All right, and in here you are able to add a link to the breakout. So here I'm going to do the link to the breakout for number 1 and make that link live, and then do the same for breakout number 2. Copy it, link it, and you notice in here that there's other possibilities too. If you'd like to link notes to a particular activity that you want to do in that breakout room, that is also a possibility. Thank you to Rachel Johnson on our shift team for putting this together. And you can also write in details like who you want to be in each breakout room. And now these breakout rooms can stand, so you don't have to keep on making new links to generate. You can have those 4 breakout rooms created and are able to use these again and again. Even if the calendar entry has passed, those links still exist. They are still live. All right, so next up, we're going to show you how to use those breakout rooms in a main meet. All right. Hello, and welcome to our class meet. This is our main classroom meet with everyone in the class. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Okay, today we are going to be using some breakout rooms to facilitate some discussion and do some different activities. Okay, so there are 2 different ways I could link those breakout rooms. We're going to divide up and go into different rooms. So the doc that I shared earlier is one way to go about that with those links built in, and that's something you can embed in Brightspace or a quick link in the class materials or different ways on Google Classroom, so they always have it. And the other way, for those who might have trouble with clicking through to a doc to find the link, you can also just post the links directly into the chat, which is what I'm going to do today. So here I've got the breakouts 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, they're already linked directly in there. Rachel, can you be in breakout room number 1 for us today?
Sounds good.
Okay, and Sarah, can you please be in number 2?
Got it.
Okay, what I'm going to get you to do in that chat, you're going to click that link, and that'll open up in a new tab, and you'll get that pre-window where it says about to join, but don't join quite yet, because if you earn 2 at the same time and the audio is going on both at the same time, sounds like you have some rabid squirrels clawing at you in the background with crazy audio feedback. So once you clicked on that second link, before you hit join to jump, and then close this tab or hang up on this one, so you're only in 1 meet at a time. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Okay, so I'll meet you in the breakout rooms for your activities.
Bye.
Okay, so I've left that meet, and you notice here that I've built 4 different windows, and I've minimized the windows so I can see all 4 breakout rooms at the same time. and so you can see all the participants and whatnot. And this allows you to kind of watch what's happening on four breakout rooms all simultaneously, see what your students are doing, and you can hop in as needed. You can either turn off your camera or turn on your camera, so you're always in the room. Sometimes I turn off my camera if I'm not in the room, but I can still see them. That way it doesn't get confusing that they're trying to talk to you, but you're actually talking to someone else. But if I pop into Rachel's room, I'm going to hit unmute. Hey Rachel, how's it going with the activity?
Hi Matt, it's going good.
Okay, sounds good. I'm going to meet up with you in a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
All right, keep on going. And then I would mute, and then when pop into a different one, I'm going to pop over to Sarah here, make this window active, and unmute myself. Hey Sarah.
Hi Matt.
Any questions?
No, I'm okay, thanks.
Okay, keep on going. We're going to meet up at 10:30, okay?
Okay.
All right. And then mute again. So there you go. One helpful way to get back to the main meet is to hop into each breakout room at the end and post the link back to your main room at the end, so all students have that. They can just link back to it in the chat, and same thing applies. So once they leave that breakout room, they got to close that breakout room and only be in one meet at a time. So give it a try. Hacking Google Meets as a way to make some breakout rooms.